The ultimate clarity in any weather product from try-ClearVision.com delivers an outstanding and truly impressive performance that transforms everyday driving into a safer, clearer, and more comfortable experience, especially in unpredictable or harsh weather conditions. From the very first use, it becomes obvious that this is not an ordinary glass treatment, as it effortlessly removes layers of invisible film, stubborn dirt, watermarks, fingerprints, and road residue that typically dull windshields over time, instantly restoring a sharp, crystal-clear view that feels almost like replacing the glass itself. Once applied, the surface takes on a smooth, slick finish that powerfully repels water, causing rain to beat up and roll away even during heavy showers, which significantly improves visibility and reduces glare from headlights, streetlights, and oncoming traffic at night. Driving in rain, fog, or mist becomes noticeably less stressful because the glass remains clear for longer periods, allowing for better reaction time and overall confidence on the road. The product excels at minimizing streaks, smudges, and haze, leaving behind a clean, polished finish that enhances contrast and detail, making road signs, lane markings, and obstacles far easier to see in both daylight and low-light conditions. Another major advantage is how easy and quick it is to use, delivering professional quality results without complicated steps or special tools, making it ideal for regular maintenance or quick touch-ups before long drives. Beyond the windshield, it performs beautifully on side windows, mirrors, and other glass surfaces, adding to its value and versatility while maintaining consistent clarity across the entire vehicle. The long-lasting effect means you don't have to constantly reapply it, saving time while still enjoying continuous performance through changing weather conditions. Overall, ultimate clarity in any weather feels like a premium-grade solution designed for drivers who prioritize safety, visibility, and comfort, providing a noticeable improvement in clarity, reduced glare, and superior water repellency that enhances every drive and makes it an indispensable part of any car care routine.